Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Haika Sahid Abbasi. I'm a clinical psychologist and I'm practicing as a consultant clinical psychologist in Timar Medical and Cardiac Hospital, and I'm practicing for about 4 years, and I'm a RIFA graduate. I have done my BS AP and MS CP from RIFA Institute, and it was an immense pleasure to be a part of RIFA. To be very honest, being the part of RIFA made me very confident, and it actually groomed my confidence, my abilities, my skills. And the RIFA teachers, my department, helped me a lot in having opportunity and giving your best in that. So alhamdulillah, today where I am standing, it's just because that of my faculty support, my teacher support, and definitely they are there, as we definitely call the name of HOD, Dr. Rabia, Dr. Saira. They helped me a lot, and the faculty is too understanding, and they actually groomed your personality, that what you should do and how to develop your career and start from the zero and keep it towards the high. So it was really good. It was really good. I didn't had any difficulty improving myself in my academic areas, either in practical field or in any academic area where I have to be. So it was really easy for me. So the most memorable part was when they sent me to an hospital to observing the patients, and it was most curious moment for me, as it was a new journey for us. Like it's so early, being in the 6th semester and going and having a clinical exposure that made me learn more about the disorders, the problems that people are facing. It's just not related to just the books. They made us, to feel the practical exposure. They tell us how to actually deal the patients in reality. We should not be limited towards the books and the bookish knowledges. They let us know that what is the importance of practical implications and practical life. It's not wrong to say this thing, that today where I'm standing, I'm representing my university. Wherever I go, when they do ask me, they feel proud of me. Okay, so you are RIFAian, so you are the part of RIFA. Because of the confidence, because of the skills they had given to me, giving diagnosis, treating patients, and honestly, I had not faced any difficulty, because the learning from RIFA was literally outstanding, to be very honest. They did their best. What a teacher can do is they can tell you every bits of things, and you have to grasp that. And they tell us, and I followed that thing and followed their expertise as well. There were certain mentors in the faculty, and yeah. So in a very short way, today where I'm standing, it's just because of RIFA, because they had supported me a lot, specifically the HOD. Okay, so this is the most common persona which we used to listen, that यूनिवर्सिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी का स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए, और आप उस यूनिवर्सिटी में जाओ जिसका नाम है. सो पहली बात, स्टैंडर्ड हो, फैकल्टी हो. तो रिफ़ा का जो साइकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट है, या रिफ़ा के जो बाकी डिपार्टमेंट्स भी हैं, मुझे लगता है कि दे आर नॉट लेस दैन एनीवन. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट कि टीचर्स यहाँ के आपके ऊपर 100% करते हैं. दे गिव यू 100%. इट्स ऑन यू दैट हाउ यू गोना अंडरस्टैंड दोज थिंग्स. कहीं भी, चाहे वो एकेडमिक एरिया हो या आपकी कोई अपनी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम भी हो, दे आर ऑलवेज हेयर टू सपोर्ट यू एंड टू बी स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड यू. एंड ये बहुत कम इंस्टीट्यूट्स में होता है कि जहाँ पे आपकी बैक पे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट होती है, कि जो आपको सपोर्ट किया जाएगा. कोई पर्सनल इशू आप नहीं कंटिन्यू कर पा रहे, कोई जर्नी आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो दे विल डेफिनेटली फैसिलिटेट यू एज दे फैसिलिटेटेड माई सेल्फ एट सर्टेन पॉइंट्स ऑफ माई लाइफ. तो आई वुड से to my juniors as well, and the people who are watching this video, or either they're not the part of RIFA, so they can be the part of RIFA, because literally you will enjoy your moments being in the RIFA and the part of RIFA, जो भी curricular activities होती है उसके अलावा भी. So they give you the best from their self.